This here is a chunk of box elder wood, which on its own is pretty unexciting, but it can get these really cool red streaks in it. So today I'm going to turn this down into a hollow form. Since the wood is still a little wet, it's going to need a couple days to dry, where it'll kind of change shape a little, and then we'll finish it up with just some final sanding and finish. And I'm not going to do any voiceover for this video, so just enjoy the sounds of the lathe. And some light music probably too. Well, here it is. I think it's kind of a cool shape. So at this point, I'm just gonna let it sit out for probably 5 days, 4 days, a week, I don't know. Let the wood dry out. We should see a little bit of movement in it, but probably not a ton because it didn't go super thin on these walls. But we'll get it to that point, and then once it's fully dry, it's just a matter of sanding and applying finish. So yeah, stick around, see what happens.